A speech on World Animal Welfare Day, 4th October. Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate World Animal Welfare Day, a day to recognize the importance of caring for all animals on our planet. Animals bring joy, companionship, and balance to our world. It's our responsibility to treat them with kindness, respect, and compassion. Whether it's pets, wild animals, or farm animals, they all deserve to live free from cruelty and harm. By raising awareness and taking action, we can protect them and make the world a better place for every living being. Let's do our part to ensure a safe and loving environment for animals everywhere. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.